What if I told you that people are making $20,000 a month just by creating AI-generated baby videos? No filming, no real babies, just artificial intelligence doing all the work. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how creators are cashing in on one of the weirdest but most profitable niches out there, the AI baby niche. From the tools you need to the exact monetization strategies they're using, you'll learn how to start your own channel in the next 24 hours. And if you like this kind of content, hit that like button and let me know in the comments what you would make if you launched your own AI baby niche channel. I love to hear your most creative baby personas. So what exactly are AI baby videos? Picture this, a cartoon style or ultra realistic baby talking like an adult. Maybe they're giving life advice, firing their babysitter like a CEO, or running a fake podcast. These videos are going viral because they hit that perfect mix of cute, funny, and weird. They're highly shareable, algorithm friendly, and most importantly, they don't require actors, filming equipment, or even real human voices. It's all done with artificial intelligence. Creators are using tools like Midjourney to generate baby visuals, 11 Labs to create baby voices, and editing tools like CapCut or Premiere Pro to bring it all together. The results? Millions of views, daily growth, and serious money. One channel I tracked went from 0 to over 100,000 followers on TikTok in under 2 months, all from posting short, 30-second baby skits with funny voices. And that's just TikTok. When you pair that with YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and Facebook Reels, the exposure multiplies across platforms. Let's talk tools, because this is where the magic happens. And good news, most of them are free or low cost. Use Midjourney, Leonardo AI, or even Bing Image Creator to generate high-quality baby images. Prompt example, realistic baby with glasses and a business suit sitting at a laptop. Or go cartoon, cute baby podcast host with a mic and headphones. Use 11 Labs, Play.ht, or TTS Maker. You can create childlike voices. Or, for comedy, give your baby a deep adult voice. Use ChatGPT to write 20 to 60-second skits. Just type something like, write a funny baby monologue about quitting daycare to become an entrepreneur. CapCut is super beginner friendly with auto captions and trendy transitions. Adobe Premiere Pro offers more customization but takes more time. With these 4 tools, you've got a full studio at your fingertips, no camera required. Need some fun inspiration? Try these ideas. A baby running a podcast and firing guests. A baby chef yelling in the kitchen like Gordon Ramsay. A baby giving fake dating advice. A baby pretending to manage a stock portfolio. The possibilities are hilarious and endless. So how are people turning baby videos into bank? Here's the breakdown. Once you're monetized, short-form and long-form baby content can bring in serious RPMs. Channels in family-friendly or entertainment niches often earn $3 to $8 per 1,000 views. Some even more if they tap into global audiences. Yes, TikTok pays too, especially with the new monetization program that favors longer videos and better retention. It's not as high as YouTube, but it stacks up when you're going viral. If you cross-post to Facebook Reels, you can tap into Facebook's ad revenue and bonus programs. A lot of creators sleep on this, but Facebook pays well when a video takes off. Baby-related brands, parenting apps, or even AI software companies are eager to pay for placements, and especially when your content gets high engagement. You can recommend AI tools like voice generators or even baby products. Many channels quietly earn passive commissions just from their video descriptions. This one's genius. Some creators offer custom AI baby voice shoutouts. Example, your baby talking to your boyfriend saying, "You better treat her right." They charge $25 plus per video. Do that 30 times a day and you're clearing $700 to $800 daily. Think baby character packs, voice packs, or prompt templates for ChatGPT. Once made, they sell over and over. If you combine just a few of these, even with the low views, you can start seeing real income. Let's get practical. Here's how to launch your first AI baby video today. Decide on your baby character. Is it a baby entrepreneur, a baby therapist, a sassy baby gossiping about daycare politics? Use ChatGPT to write a short skit, 30 to 60 seconds. Generate the baby image with Midjourney. Make multiple versions so you can animate or slide through. Voice it with 11 Labs. Pick a voice and tweak it until it sounds just right. Edit it in CapCut or Premiere. Add background music, auto captions, and some sound effects. Upload it to YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Facebook Reels. Use hashtags like AI baby, funny baby voice, baby talk, AI, then repeat. The more you post, the faster you grow. So that's how people are turning AI baby videos into a $20,000 a month content empire. No filming, no babysitting, just smart creativity and the right tools. If this video gave you value, hit the like button and drop a comment below, telling me what kind of baby character you'd launch first. Would it be baby boss, baby chef, baby therapist? Let's get weird with it. And if you want my free prompt templates, voice settings, or AI baby script examples, check the description. I've got a free mini starter kit waiting for you. Finally, subscribe to the channel if this helped you out with your next business idea. This channel is all about smart, faceless, AI-powered income streams. And I've got more videos coming that will blow your mind. Thanks for watching. Now go build your baby empire.